Coinbase has introduced a new feature that allows AI agents to interact with crypto markets, manage wallets, and even execute trades automatically. That means instead of manually watching charts all day, you can give an AI agent instructions and let it do the work for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, how to set it up step by step, and how to make your first AI-powered trade using Coinbase. We'll start from scratch, so even if you've never built an AI agent before, you'll be able to follow along. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what these agents can do, where they can help, and what risks you should know before letting AI touch your money. Let's get started. Alright, so before we jump into the setup, let's quickly talk about what Coinbase for Agents actually is. Basically, Coinbase is making it possible for AI agents to interact with your Coinbase account directly. Instead of you manually opening the app, checking prices, and placing trades, an AI agent can do those things for you through a command line tool or an MCP server. Now let's set it up and make your first AI-powered trade. Alright, let's start with the manual setup inside the terminal. The first thing you need to do is check whether Node.js version 22 or higher is installed on your computer. If it isn't, go ahead and install it first, because the Coinbase CLI requires Node.js 22 or newer to run properly. Once that's done, installing the Coinbase CLI is super simple. If you're using Windows or macOS, run this command in your terminal. If you're on Linux, use the Linux version of the command instead. Just copy, paste, and hit enter. After a few seconds, the Coinbase CLI should be installed on your system. Now we need to connect the CLI to your Coinbase account, and for that, we'll need an API key. Head over to the Coinbase Developer Platform website and sign in. If it's your first time, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions and go through the initial setup process. Just click through the prompts until you reach the dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the API section and click on Create New API Key. Give your API key a name, something that helps you remember what it's being used for. For example, you could call it Trading Agent or Coinbase CLI. Next, you'll see Permission Settings. This is where you decide what your AI agent is allowed to do. If you want your agent to trade, receive crypto, or perform other account actions, you can enable those permissions. Personally, I'm only enabling the permissions needed for trading. I'm leaving transfer permissions disabled because they add extra risk. In fact, I'd strongly recommend testing everything with an account that has a small balance. That way, if you make a mistake while learning, the risk stays manageable. You'll also see options like Export Private Key and Modify Policy. Unless you specifically know why you need them, I would leave those unchecked because they can increase the security risk. For the signature algorithm, just keep the recommended options selected. Now click Create API Key. Before Coinbase creates the key, it'll probably ask you to verify your identity. In my case, it sent a one-time password to my phone. After entering the OTP, the API key was created instantly. At this point, Coinbase will show you two very important pieces of information, the API key and the API secret. Make sure you save both of them somewhere secure. I recommend downloading the credentials file as well and storing it in a safe location because you'll need these credentials later when connecting your AI agent to Coinbase. Once you've saved everything, you'll be able to see your newly created API key listed in the dashboard, and now we're ready to connect it to the Coinbase CLI. Now we have to tell Coinbase client where API file is saved. For that, copy this command and edit it with path to API key file and paste it in terminal. Then write Coinbase ENV. It has given output live means CLI is set up complete. Alright, now let's see if everything is working correctly. First, let's check the current Bitcoin price using the Coinbase CLI. And there we go. The CLI is successfully connected and it's returning the current Bitcoin price. So everything looks good so far. Now let's try something a little more interesting. I'm going to ask it to prepare a $10 Bitcoin trade, but I don't want it to actually execute the order. I just want to see what would happen. So I'll use the preview option and paste this command into the terminal. Now here's the limitation of using only the terminal. The CLI is powerful, but it's not truly autonomous. We still have to manually tell it what to do. We have to give it instructions, like when to buy, when to sell, and which asset to trade. So it's more like a tool than a fully independent trading agent. But what if we want an agent that can analyze information, make decisions, and interact with Coinbase on its own? That's where we need to connect the Coinbase CLI to an AI model, the brain of the operation. And that brain can be almost anything you prefer. You can use Claude, Codex, Cursor, or another AI agent platform that supports tool usage. For this demo, I'm going to use Codex. I'll copy this command and paste it into Codex. This will install the required Coinbase tools, dependencies, and skills that allow Codex to communicate directly with Coinbase. The installation might take a minute, so let's wait for it to finish. All right, the Coinbase skills are installed. Now, instead of typing commands manually into the terminal, I can simply chat with the AI agent. Let's start with a simple test and ask it for the current price of Ethereum. And there it is. Let's quickly verify the result. Yep, the price matches. So we know the connection is working correctly, and our AI agent can now access real-time market information directly from Coinbase. Now for the part I've been waiting for. I'm going to give this AI agent access to a real $50 trading account and let it trade Bitcoin and Ethereum over the next hours. The goal is simple: find good opportunities, manage risk, and try to grow the account. From this point on, the agent will be making the trading decisions based on its analysis of the market. It'll monitor price action, volume, momentum, and overall market conditions, then decide when to enter and exit trades. Every trade it makes will be recorded, and once the 4 hours are up, we'll come back and review everything. We'll see which trades worked, which ones didn't, and how much profit or loss the agent generated. And just like that, you can spin up your own AI trading agent. Keep in mind that the results will depend a lot on the model you're using. If you have access to Fable 5, I'd recommend trying that, since it's one of the strongest models available right now. As for my agent, I'm going to let it run and see what happens. If this video gets 50,000 views, I'll make a follow-up video showing the full results and every trade it took. Thanks for watching the video.